First link that we have got is from Balveer Singh, and this is the website. There you go. Balveer Singh actively working on dynamic instance segmentation on ORB Slam. Wow, amazing. So you have links, email, LinkedIn, GitHub portfolio, and you got the name Balveer, which is amazing because it's so easy to get started with. You have your own image here. Great. About me, skills, a lot of skills. Great to see a lot of skills. And then we have experience. So there's a section for experience. I like the fact that you have used sections. Maybe you need to format them a little bit more, but it looks amazing. And there's a gallery where we can see some images. We see some Iron Man here, or what is that? Looks like an Iron Man. Robotics competition. I see. Science City, Jalandhar. Great. And then they have projects. Amazing. So you are putting a lot of effort here, and that is exactly what I like to see, that you come up with your own ideas, you add your flavor to that. So that's amazing. You have also added the social media platforms, GitHub, Instagram, Geeks for Geeks, and so on. Well done, Mr. Balveer Singh. Thank you very much for joining our stream and creating the website. We also have from Syed Faizan. There you go. Balveer says still unemployed. Don't worry. After this website, you're going to get employed.